Now discuss the topic is probability. Probability means chance. The first of all go to what is meant by definition of random experiment. What is the definition of random experiment? If an experiment can be repeated, any number of times, under essential identical conditions, which contains a set of known things, is said to be a random experiment. Is said to be a random experiment or trial. Is said to be a random experiment or trial. Suppose example, tossing a coin, is a random experiment. Tossing a coin is a random experiment. Rolling a die, is a random experiment. Drawing a card from pack, is also a random experiment. Is a random experiment. Here random experiments, if an experiment is conducted, if experiments can be repeated any number of times under essential identical conditions, which contains a set of known things, is said to be a random experiment or trial. Tossing a coin is a random experiment, and rolling a die is a random experiment, and drawing a card from pack is a random experiment.